Taylor Swift allegedly witnessed Justin Baldoni in tears after Ryan Reynolds' confrontation about Blake Lively's weight. Sources claim Baldoni appeared emotional after the exchange. The ongoing legal battle surrounding It Ends With Us has taken another dramatic turn, drawing global attention after newly unsealed court documents placed Taylor Swift and Hugh Jackman in the room during a confrontation involving Ryan Reynolds, Blake Lively, and Justin Baldoni. The filings, which form part of Lively's workplace harassment case against Baldoni, allege that the chart-topping singer witnessed a tense exchange at the couple's New York home, adding a new layer of star power to an already closely watched dispute. The documents describe a moment in April 2023 in which Reynolds reportedly challenged Baldoni over a question concerning Lively's weight. The allegation, one of many now emerging through the unsealed evidence, has deepened scrutiny over the behind-the-scenes tensions on the set of It Ends With Us and the encounters that followed. With high-profile figures tied to key moments in the timeline, the case has grown beyond a standard production dispute and into one of the most talked-about Hollywood legal battles of recent years. Taylor Swift's reported presence during the confrontation. In December 2024, Blake Lively brought up her lawsuit against Baldoni, claiming that he harassed, retaliated, body-shamed, and created a hostile work environment during the shooting of It Ends With Us. Her lawsuit indicated several occasions on which she claimed Baldoni had made such conditions that rendered her unable to safely and professionally perform her part. Baldoni rejected all the charges against him. He had earlier filed a counterclaim for significant damages, which was subsequently thrown out when his legal team failed to meet court deadlines. Despite that difficulty, he has still kept on saying that his behavior on the set and during the rehearsals was suitable and in line with the industry standards. The newly unsealed documents include a timeline email submitted in July 2024 as part of Lively's evidence. This email describes an alleged event that took place on April 25, 2023, at the residence that Lively and Reynolds share. As per the court document, Reynolds met with Baldoni after he got to know that the latter was inquiring about Lively's weight while getting ready for a lift scene in the movie. The filings describe the actor reacting strongly to the question and challenging Baldoni's judgment in raising the matter. Baldoni's team has acknowledged that weight was discussed but said it was strictly a safety-related inquiry related to choreography and his own back injury. The director has maintained that he was attempting to coordinate the demands of the scene with the film's trainer. The documents also list Taylor Swift and Hugh Jackman as having been present in the apartment at the time of the reported confrontation. Their inclusion has drawn widespread attention due to their prominence and close friendships with Reynolds and Lively. While neither has confirmed being there, the filings cite them as individuals who may have relevant information. Swift's representatives previously denied that she was involved creatively in the production of It Ends With Us, clarifying that her only connection was licensing one of her songs for the soundtrack. They have rejected suggestions that she visited the film's set or held influence over any aspect of the shoot. There has been no comment from her team regarding the newly surfaced allegations of her presence during the 2023 exchange. Taylor Swift mentioned in filings as Baldoni allegedly became emotional. The newly unsealed documents further allege that Baldoni appeared embarrassed during the confrontation and apologized. The filings state that he became emotional and may have shed tears following the exchange. These descriptions appear solely in documents submitted by Lively's legal team and have not been independently verified by any of the parties named. Baldoni and his lawyers have insisted that the actor's conduct was always within the limits of a professional and proper behavior during the whole production. His lawyers have defended that a number of the accusations mentioned in the papers are nothing more than misunderstandings or distortion of facts which are done in a way that supports Lively's claims before the court. The lawsuit is still under heavy scrutiny by the public and the film industry, mainly due to the star-studded characters involved and the lucrative nature of It Ends With Us. The names of Taylor Swift and Hugh Jackman still appear in the documents as people who might possess information that could be uncovered, although it has not yet been announced if they will testify. The hearing is set to start in March 2026, and the lawyers are likely to file more papers as the case moves forward.